The discouraging 10 elephants. What does it feel like? Heavier than 10 elephants. Turning my neck to increase blood flow. I want to say something, anything. Okay, go on. I don't know how. Never knew. No words come out. I feel the only way to release this burden is to write. But even writing does not feel enough sometimes. Doesn't feel as though I'd let it out completely. So, what do I do? My palms are all sweaty. Screaming sounds like a good idea. Probably not to you though. Should I paint? I have to buy brushes. What if I get discouraged? Watch another 500 movies. I try that. A movie may last for 2 hours and then those damn 10 elephants. The thought, and sub-thoughts.